All right, hello. This activity for today is going to be another free response question, AP question. Just some reminders about this one. These are, usually pretty challenging, especially when you first see them, but I want to mix them in so we get some practice with them so they're not so intimidating. Um, later. We'll do certainly more of these prior to the AP test, but I'm just going to mix them in when they make sense. And there's definitely ones about arrays. So we're going to do one today called trail elevation, which is an array question from one of the previous AP test, a free response question. Okay, so just to kind of how you do this, you have a choice between either writing out your answers on paper or typing them up. I kind of like to type them up, to be honest, but that's just my preference. Okay, so what you're going to do is start by loading the PDF here. Okay, so you'll just kind of click on this and load it up. And then you'll see there's two parts, A and B to this. You can kind of scroll down and then, look over part A. Again, I usually like to read a little bit, but then also look at the examples. So they kind of give you some examples here that should help make sense of it. All right, and then they describe part A here, and then they have you write the method. So on the paper AP test, they always give you like that the heading, and you just have to fill in the method code. Okay, and on this particular one, there is like a global variable that's an int array called markers. So you're going to reference that in, I think, both your methods on this one. Okay, so if you want to write it out, you could just start with this heading, right, and then start to fill in from there. Right, obviously read the description and everything to help figure it out. Or if you want to type it out, I just make the class match what is shown in there. So they call this class, if you look, they call it trail. So I just make my own class, make this little variable here, the int array, and then type the heading and then fill it in. Okay, so this is like the heading for A right here, and then this is the heading for B, and then I just filled them in. I'm not going to show you the code. I already did it all and everything, but basically, do the headings and then type your code out that way. Or again, you can write it down on paper. Okay, so that's kind of the setup, and then the rest of it, let's see. So back here, you can have that description up, and then if you get stuck, I got a help video for A and a help video for B. But again, I would try to do this as much as you can on your own. Think about it, try to make sense of it. Even reading it and understanding what the heck is being asked, that's one of the challenges, right? So try your code, and then you can use this video to help, right? And if you do get stuck, you could watch like the first part of the video until you feel like you're unstuck, then code some more, then watch more of the video, and then code some more, so that it's kind of an interactive process and not just you passively watching the video. I know it's not going to help you just watching. You have to think and try. That's the key. So there's a video for part A and a video for part B. If you attend live class, obviously we'll be going over them together. Yeah. When you're done, I'm going to have you turn this in so you can either upload a picture if you wrote it out on paper, or if you typed it out, you can upload it here or put it in Google Drive. Either way. All right, so that's all I got for the introduction. As always, reach out if any of that didn't make sense or you have any questions. Have a good day.